get right into the exercises that we're going to progress a little bit today. We're going to add in some new ones. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, to reach out to me. We're going to lay down on our back, preparing for the 100. Last week we did the 100 with your legs in the tabletop. So we're going to start there. So pulling your belly button down to the spine, arms up. Take a deep breath in and then exhale, lift your head and shoulders, reach your hands forward, look into your abs. Bring your legs into tabletop. Begin pumping, inhaling for a count of 5, exhaling for a count of 5. Now you can stay up tabletop, or you're going to take your legs straight up into the air. Try to keep your feet a little bit more over your hips, so your low back is down. Big pumps of the arms. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In. Out. Nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. 3 more. So the arms, hug your knees in, and lower head and shoulders. We're going to do the roll up. Last week we did the roll back where we started from sitting. So we're going to try the roll back today. If the roll up is challenging for you, you're going to go to the roll back. So arms up, palms facing forward, flexing through the feet. Take a deep breath in, exhale, scooping the abs in and up. You're going to peel your spine up bone by bone. Reaching your hands over your toes, reaching the crown of the head forward as you pull back through your abs so your spine is nice and round. Take a deep breath in and exhale, nice and slow. You're going to roll down bone by bone. And a big breath in, exhale, scoop, roll up bone by bone. Inhale to the top. And exhale, nice and slow, rolling down. Let's do one more. Big breath in. Exhale, scoop. Reach over. Shoulders are soft. Nice and slow, roll down. So remember, if you have trouble getting up, you can go to the roll back, or you can lift up your head and shoulders, put your hands down, push yourself up, and then finish. You want to make sure that you're never using your back or momentum. So you don't want to throw yourself up. You want to use your abs and you want to come up with control and down with control. Now we're going to go into one-leg circles. Hands by your side, bring your right leg into your chest and up to the ceiling. You want to flex through your left foot, point and externally rotate hip from the right leg. We're going to draw little circles on the ceiling, across, down, around, and up. 2 more. And at the top, we reverse. Out, down, around, and up. 2 more. And 1 more. You want to watch that as you're circling, your hips aren't going side to side. So you're using your abs to stabilize your pelvis while you move your leg. And then we switch legs. Flex through this foot. Point through this. Across, down, around, and up. At the top, reverse. Out, down, around, and up. And we do 3 to 5 of these. And then we roll up. Scoot your seat to your feet for rolling like a ball. Last week we just held rolling like a ball at the top like this. Today we're going to roll. Using your abs with control. We roll to the shoulders and we come up to balance. We do 3 to 5. Inhale back. Exhale out. Then we plant the feet. We scoot back and we roll down for single leg stretch. For single leg stretch, your knees in, lift up head and shoulders. Remember, it's opposite hand, opposite knee, same hand, same ankle. Shoulders are off the mat, and you're looking into your abs. Other leg goes out eye level, squeeze this one in. Inhale through center. Exhale, squeeze. We do 5 to 10. Double leg stretch. Knees come in, head and shoulders up, gazes into the belly. Legs up, arms up, circle the arms, up in. Inhale, exhale. Head and shoulders remain still. Five to 10, knees in, head and shoulders down. Double straight leg lower lifts. Making that diamond with your hands, you slip that into the tailbone. Your knees come into the chest, legs go up into the air, heels together, toes fist distance apart in Pilates stance. Abs scoop down. Inhale, raise your legs away. Exhale, come up. Scoop as the legs go away so your low back stays down. Reach your legs away, scoop and come back up. And we do anywhere from 5 to 10. And the knees come in, feet down, lift the hands. Hands come behind the head for our crisscross modification. We're going to twist to the right. As the right knee comes up, we bring the left shoulder over. And we go down, other side. Inhale through center, exhale, twist and lift. Five to 10 on each side, head and shoulders down, and we hug the knees in. Grabbing behind the legs, we roll up, for spine stretch forward. Legs as wide as your mat, flexing through the feet, sitting tall, arms are out in Frankenstein arms. Inhale to lengthen your spine, exhale to tuck your abs back as you reach your hands forward. And then inhale, we sit tall. Then we're going to do our swan prep. So we're going to lay down on our belly, stacking hand over hand, resting your forehead on your hands. Everything from the waist down remains connected to the mat, so your belly button is scooping up to the spine to protect your low back, and your feet stay anchored. Your forehead stays glued to your hands. On the inhale, you lift the whole upper body as one. Exhale, you go down. Inhale, you lift. Exhale, down. I'm trying to come up as high as you can. After 5, we push back into our rest position. Spine is round, abs pulling away from your legs. Then we lay down on the back for shoulder bridge. Feet and knees are in line with the shoulders and the hips, arms are anchored. Inhale, peel your spine up, stretching through the front of the hips, and exhale, roll your spine down nice and slow, bone by bone. And we can do about 5 of these. Make sure your knees don't go in and out the sides. They stay right in line with the shoulders. And you're rolling up the middle of the spine and down the middle of the spine. And then when you've done your 5, hug your knees in, give yourself a good squeeze. And now we go into our side lifting series. So you're going to lay at the back of your mat from the head to the heels in a line. Hips are stacked and shoulders are stacked. Top hand comes to the front. Bring your feet to the front. Flex your bottom leg. Lift your top leg, hip height only, externally rotate. Today, for this week, we're just going to do front and back. So you kick to the front twice, kick to the back twice. You're watching that the box of your body stays still. So you're not rolling the shoulders to reach the leg. You're staying super tall and stacked. Your abs are zipping up towards your heart. We do 5 of these, and then you'll do the other side. To transition to the other side, roll on your belly, palm over palm, hands down. Now we lift the legs up, nice and long, and we bring the heels together and tap 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we roll to the other side. Front and back is kick, 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 kick. Reach the leg long out of the hip. When you're done, lay on your back, hug your knees into your chest. Teaser prep. We're going to bring your feet flat on the floor, knees bent, hugging the knees and the thighs together. Grab behind the legs, round your spine, scoop your abs in. Reach your right leg up so you're balancing just behind the sit bones. Your arms reach parallel to your leg. Hold, and then switch legs. Hold, switch. Hold, switch. Hug your knees, roll down, and hug the knees in. And now working on our leg pull front support, like we did last week. This time we're going to take one leg behind, the other leg behind. Your body is long from head to heel. We're going to hold, and then one knee down, other knee down, push back. Do that two more times. Keeping your shoulders over your wrist, making sure your butt's not in the air, that you're in a long line, abs are zipped up. Hold, then one knee down, other knee down, push back. One more. Hold for 5, 3, keep breathing, and then one knee down, other knee down, push back. For seal, we're going to come into the same position we did for rolling like a ball. Bringing your hands into a prayer position, dive between the knees, wrapping around the ankles. Balance behind the sit bones, feet up, and just bring the toes together to touch. Now for this first week of seal, we're just going to hold at the top. Then bring your feet down, roll down. Hug the knees in. Again, if you have any questions or concern on last week or this week, don't forget to reach out to me, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you for week 3. Have a good one.